Well, here we are at the showground, the caravan and camping. There's the van there.
Hey mate, how you going?
Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, about time.
Yeah, no, about time we met you.
Yeah. So if you actually come to the eastern side of the show, and we're just near mountain trails, you'll find this pavilion here. This is the pavilion, which is the Victoria Pavilion. And so we'll go inside here and I'll show you where the caravan people are. So we're looking for Carafan. I reckon they're down here somewhere. Okay, so we're actually down at the caravan show in Melbourne. It's Thursday. It's actually going for another 3 days. And we've got Carafan here. And who have we got here?
Hi, I'm Tiana. I'm Caravan Sales Manager, but I'm constantly at the show, so people call me a carny too. But yeah, and this is our stand.
Okay.
We've got white and black, simple as. You've probably seen us on all the roof of your caravans,
Yes.
but yeah, we are down here today for 5 days, second day now,
Yes.
and we've had lovely Graham helping us.
That's me. And tell us about the product. So these are your caravans, and what are they? A positive air
Well, it's
pressure?
like keeping at the stand all day. No, so they are definitely, yeah. So we are pretty much the number one, I'd say, dust solution for caravans in Australia.
Yep.
So we go on the roof of your caravan. We're a powered unit to your 12-volt system.
Yep.
We take 6 amps to use, and pretty much what it does, we've got this big grunty filter under here.
Oh wow, look at that.
So that's what sits on
Oh, you can
your
even
roof.
see the fan in there.
Yep, that's it. And then we've got it in white and black to match your new mods. So black for the new ones, people are getting all the new checker plates, they love that. But essentially it takes filter air from outside, it makes positive pressure inside.
Yes.
And it's keeping everything clean. So you deal with asthma, you've got allergens, you want to have no dust in your caravan when you're going bull dusting.
Yep.
This is the product you'll buy.
Okay.
We've been around for 9 years, we're the first ones in, and we're still here.
And does this one actually work?
Yeah, go on.
You can feel it. So how much air is actually getting pumped into your caravan?
So that's 200 litres per second, or if you work in CFM, that's 700.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a grunty one. So the guys in WA built it, and it's just gone nuts since we've started, and now we've outsourced. But now we're selling like over 5,000 a year. They're on factories, they're on Crusaders, Supremes,
Okay.
JBs, whatever you see out in the streets, probably on there now.
And
And it's on Graham's now.
they're actually fairly solid. That's aluminium.
Yeah, all aluminium. Only one that's all aluminium design as well. So
Yes, that's it.
yeah, that's Carafan.
And you only need 12 volts.
Yes, 12 volts. 12 volts, 6 amps, and that's it.
And where can the guys actually buy them from?
Anywhere and everywhere. So in every state, we've got a retail in every state. Obviously online, if you don't want to get it through your manufacturer as well. But yeah, so in Melbourne at the moment, our big one at the show is E-Time. So if you wanted to go to the show, check it out at E-Time, you can purchase it from there. Or if you just need a filter replacement too.
Or if you just want to come down and say hi to us, what side are we at?
We're 528.
520A. So come down and say hi, and you'll be allowed to even turn that on. So, nice.
And you can't miss us. I'm very pregnant, so.
Nice chatting.
No, nice meeting
Look
you.
after yourself.
Cheers.
Bye.